Hey everybody, it's Tanya with ScrappyChicks.com and your creative partner with Kiwi Lane, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the December 2020 Kiwi Club Kit. So today I'm just showing you the contents that comes with the kit, and any overstock will be put in the Kiwi Lane Overstock Club Kit shopping page through Kiwi Lane if there's any overstock of this kit. So it will go up for sale if you're not a club member. The price to you is the same price that the club members pay, but if there's any overstock left, it will be added to the overstock page on the Kiwi Lane website. So check that out in the next week or so to see if there's any overstock of this kit. So the theme of the kit is chilling with my Nomies. It is really, really adorable. So I'm going to show you the title page here, Chilling with My Nomies. I'm showing you the templates here, so you're going to have options. When building your gnomes, you're going to have 2 beard options, 3 hat options, and then a body. So that is the template set that comes with that. Then there's coordinating 12 by 12 paper and sentiment cards, and I'm going to show you each one of those. So let me move the templates out of the way here. And I found that I covered up a beard. So wait a minute. Let's fix this. So now you have, instead of 2 beard options, you have 3 beard options and then a body. So that is my correction. I didn't realize I had one of the beards under the paper. So even more options to play with. That's awesome. Okay. Now, that is all the template set. And so you know that I'm being honest and upfront. I'll show you the back. So this is the template set. So you have 3 beard options, 3 hat options, and then a body. So I apologize that one of the beards was hiding under paper. So now I'm going to go through the paper and show you this piece by piece. So the first one is a piece 12 by 12 cardstock. This is thick paper, great sturdy paper to make layouts, cards, mini albums, folio albums, just great paper. You're getting high quality here. So this has the gnomes and the stockings with the Christmas trees, snowflakes, and stars. Very colorful, very vibrant colors. Then the back side is pink, and it has some swirls. Then this is the Nomies with their houses and their Christmas trees, and they're decorating the Christmas trees and their little cute little house. And then the back side is red with like white dots that are, I would say, snow. Then you have the plaid. And this is really pretty. This is teal, and then it has these snowflakes. This is green with navy blue. I think, yes, it looks navy blue to me. Navy blue lines. And then you just have like a gray and white chevron. This is a very neutral piece. This is adorable. Fa la 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 la. I love that. I can see the Nomies singing that. And then this is like a lime green with dark lines going down. Pretty pink. And this is like the old school sweater style snowflake is what that reminds me of. And then you have pretty coordinating stripe. This is red. And there's 2 of those. So you could do a double page layout with the red as your base. Or, again, there is the neutral toned that you could do a double page layout with. And then you have blue, 2 pages of that, and then you have the teal. And then there's the sentiment cards. So the first one is a journaling box. It says December Joys. The back side of that are just triangles. I love you no matter what, with coordinating triangles. Love this season journal box. Stripe paper. Shake Your Flakes. Love that. And stripes again. There's No Place Like Gnome for the holidays. And triangles. All I Want for Christmas checklist. And then this is just like a greenish color on the back. There's Gnome, One Like You with the stripe. The Gnomes Made Me Do It with the stripe. Let's Go Caroling with that green again. Merry Everything and Happy Always with the green. A Very Merry Christmas to You. And then the triangles, excuse me. Chilling with My Gnomies in the teal with the pink. And then stripes again. Oh, by gosh, by golly, it's time for mistletoe and holly. Christmas is a stocking stuff with sugary goodness. So this is a 4x6. And then you have the triangles. My favorite color is Christmas Lights. And that's a 4x6 with stripe. And then the last one, this is As Merry as I Get. So these are strips that you can cut out. The stockings were hung, place. Oh, no, gnome you didn't. Date. You know what I'm saying. So these are different strips that you can cut out and use them individually. And then there's the green on the back. So this kit offers 12x12 coordinating papers. It also offers the sentiment cards and the template set. So this is a very fun, I would say this is fun, festive set. I think it's a great kit. Again, if you're not a Kiwi Club member and you're interested, I'll leave a link below that explains all the options to become a Kiwi Club member and the benefits. Also, if you want to check the Overstock page, there are Kiwi Club kits from the past already loaded on the Overstock page, but depending on how much of the Chilling with My Gnomies, Kiwi Lane will put those Overstock up for sale as well, typically. So you may just want to check back on the Kiwi Lane page. I'll leave a link below. That way you don't have to hunt for it. I'll just put a direct link to the Overstock page, and maybe you can check it in a week or two and see if they load that on there. So I hope you have fun creating with this kit if you are a Kiwi Club member. If you're not, I hope you consider becoming one and getting these exclusive templates. And there are different club options for every price point. So great options out there. Thank you again for tuning in. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and happy crafting. Bye-bye.